Hello everyone. In this demo, we're just going to take a look at the basics of writing a void function. So as the comment says, we're just going to write a program that asks the user for how many greetings they want to see and then use a void function to actually display those greetings. So we're going to write a function we'll call void greetings, and it will take in a parameter of type int to indicate how many greetings we should display within there. And for defining that function, what it'll do is just simply use this value for n to control how many greetings to display with a loop. So let's just say we'll use a for loop for int I equals 1, I is less than or equal to n, I plus plus, and on each line of that we'll just simply see out hello user. So you'll notice there is no return statement here because we don't need it. We'll also show what would happen if we had one. But what's going to happen is based on this value of n, this for loop is going to run that many times and display that many greetings to the user. And again, this doesn't really return a value. There's no meaning to that in this context. It's a good use of a void function for just simply displaying that output to the screen. In main, we'll need an int parameter num for the number of greetings the user wants. Give them a prompt line, enter how many greetings, c in num. And a call to a void function is always its own program statement. So in order to display this many greetings, we'll simply just execute the function greetings by plugging in the value of num there. So this is interactive with the user. It's going to ask them how many they want to display, plug in the value of num to the greetings function. And again, you notice that's not a cout statement. It's its own command that's going to cause the code within this to run. So let's see what this looks like as a final product. So enter how many greetings you wish to see. Let's be greeted 4 times. So what's happening is, in main, the 2 cout statements here for the directions and prompting are happening. We're entering 4. The value of 4 is being passed along to this greetings function, and this code within here is running. So we're having that for loop run 4 times. Again, the return statement's totally optional. What's going to happen is it's going to execute all the code within here. And when it gets to this end of the for loop and it's done iterating through 4 times, the function call is done with, and we're back to main at that stage. We could even put a cout, the program is over, to show you the order in which this happens to. So how many greetings you wish to see, we'll do 2 this time. So again, the hello user is coming from the for loop within that greetings function. And then once this command is done with, you'll see the program is overprint because we're then back to the main function. Again, you could put the return statement in there and it would not affect this one bit. Enter the number of greetings you wish to see, 2, hello user, the program's over, but that's totally optional. There are cases where you will probably need a return statement for certain logic ideas, but you can safely omit it in a case like this. So again, this just shows you the basics of declaring, defining, and calling a void function, and a good use of a void function, just basically printing output. Oftentimes, a void function is well set up for that task.